Right, so let's start today's class. And in the last class, we have learned about document management in BIM 360. Now, after that, we have created some reviews, created markups and issues and transmitters and how we manage all them within this document management. Now, let's come to the collaboration. So for that collaboration, I need to open Revit software. So let me open that Revit software as well. So yeah, and here I have created one fresh project file, project directory, and there we have all these folders. There we will manage all of the files. Okay, so we will see design collaboration. With this module, we will create some team, and within the team members, we will collaborate how we can collaborate with as the architectural team members, how we can collaborate with mechanical team members or structural team members. We will look into that. So first, let me do one thing that I have this architectural central file, okay, and the mechanical central file. So I can create the central file. Let me create the central file first. Go to desktop. Yeah. So I'll open this file. So here I have my Revit file. And for this, I will start collaborating from Revit. Okay, so that will create one center master file and it will be connected with my local file as well. So I will be working on my local file and I'll be updating it to the central file. So the collaborate option here, go to collaborate. Okay, and before this in BIM 360 document management, make sure that your folders are created properly. Okay, so for that you can check it here. So these are the folders which is available. So right now, if it is not needed, this one. Okay, so I have this three folders created within this team subfolder. So I will be uploading it here. Initiate, and this will be the folder. Okay, project files, teams, and for architecture, let's go for Revit files and working progress file. Okay, here let's go for initiate. So in this cloud platform, you are uploading your center file. Okay, and that will be connected with your local file. So the local file you will be opening at your system, and the central file will be available in that BIM 360 or the CDE, common data environment, so that each and every members can see what is happening in the master file, and each and every project members can collaborate with all the project members and with other team as well. So I'm going to show you that as well. So for that, I'm right now creating central file for my architectural module. Few minutes. Okay, it is done. Let's close it. And now I will open another file for the structure. So let's go for open project, and I will open the structure file. Now I will collaborate and create center file for this also for my structural team. And for my MEP, let's open the mechanical file. The same way, choose the right path, the right project location, initiate. So these files are being processed right now. So when we should do this BIM 360 collaboration, like when collaboration need to occur among users who are not in the same group's location. Suppose they are out of your current geographic locations. Suppose they are in other country, and they are involved within your team members. So you can use this Revit Cloud Work Sharing. This way, Revit server connects this who will share a network, uh, but not in the same country or within same location. Okay, so this will be a cloud-based service which will allow your Revit all the Revit users inside or outside on your network to collaborate for the Revit model. So here it is done, and whatever you need, uh, you do the changes here, and you can do the synchronize. Okay, so it will be updated with the new center model, and you have this also here. You have this sync option available. So when you will click on this, it will be initiated here. It will be synced. So here you have to click on it, and there you can see these are being processed right now. Okay, so from here also you can go to that file, go to that path. Okay, so you can go for publish all. So you are publishing these files to the cloud. So these are being processed right now. There you can see. Okay. So right now I need to create teams so that we can collaborate within the team members for these files. So for that I have this design collaboration. I have this design collaboration option. So when you will first start adding your team and your collaboration within your team members, so you will get this welcome message. So let's get started, and it's asking the location what you want to use. So let's select a different folder. So what will be the folder? Let's select that. Okay, so you need to choose one shared folder. So there you can choose this one, this team, this one as the shared folder, and let's click on this select, and this is right now selected. Okay, so let's go for continue. You can create a coordination space on the shared folder as well. So for your coordination, like you are coordinating will with other team members or not, there are clashes. So to check all the classes, to identify all the classes so that you uh, coordinate better. So for that also, for those models, for those files also, you need one space to manage all those files for your coordination model. So for that, you can also create the same folder. So it asks you to create a coordination space on the shared folder, and this is the shared folder right now. Okay, so you can create it, and let's go for continue. Yeah. Okay, so right now no team is added. Okay, so we will add fresh the name, or else we can select existing folders. So let's select existing folders as because we already have some folders. It's right now not opening. Okay, so we can create a new team name. Let's create architect. Okay, and let's add it. And here you can see this is added. Okay, and this is the path. You can check. You can check the path. Okay, So this one is the path. One architect is created. Okay. And like that, you can create also. So this team is being used. Also here, you can see this architect is created right now. Okay. And can come here and let me see these existing folders are not being okay. So now let me close it and one is created. Now let me go for scan for new items. So it's not selecting. Okay, let's go for add team. Okay, let's create it. Let's go for add. So this team will be created. So you are creating with fresh folders. Okay. So this one is created and there you can create coordination space. So let's not create it and let's go and add team also. And let's add structural. Okay, so this is created and close it. So these teams are right now created and as a members, right now I'm the only member here and you can add some more members. So about the permission level, you can see the permission level you can assign. So let me assign some members and so all the BIM managers or the architects will be added. Let me add some architects. All the architects will be added here. Okay. And what about the permission level? So up to this edit, they will have the permission. So here also you can change it. And now let me close it. And for mechanical, you can go to this members and there you can assign mechanical engineers. Okay. And they will have to this level of permission. So they are added. Let me close it. And here, let me add structural engineer. Click on add. So all the members who are structural engineer will be added. So let's close it. OK, so that you add within the project admin tab. Now come to this design collaboration there. And here, let me open this document management. So here you can see that these three are created right now: mechanical, structural, and architect. And there you have this colors. You can change the colors if you want. OK, so here you can see. OK, and this is right now the timeline for 7 days right now. OK, and I have to add some models there. So right now architect is selected and for structural can select and you can uh, new create new package for your files. So right now we don't have any project model here. You can see no models to view. So your team doesn't have any model. So right now I need to upload files there. So let me go for it. And this is your design teams and this shared folders are there. Okay. And this is the team folder. Okay. So you can see right now we don't have any folders there. Okay. And this is the file, project files, architect, project files, mechanical, project files, structure within this project directory. So project files. Oh, sorry, this test is selected right now here. So that's why I couldn't find it. Okay, so I have to select that demo project directory. Okay, yeah, so here all these things are available right now. Yeah, so here I need to upload those files and previously I have uploaded here. So right now what I'll do, I will move it. Okay, so come to this architecture, Revit files, WIP. I'll select this and I will move it. Okay, so let me move to the architect here. Okay, and let me move it. So for structure as well, yeah, it is. Okay, so it will be structure. Let me move this as well to this structural. So if your folder changed, you just move your files to that folders. Right now you have it. Okay, so yeah, here you can see that this file is right now added for mechanical as well. This is added and for architect as well. This is added. This file is added here. You can see, right? So these files are added here. Uh, I don't need them, so I'll delete it. Okay. Now let me open this project model, and there you see it's being processed. Just a second. So this structural file you have, okay. So this is a smaller file, so it's processed quickly. You can see, you can view it here. Okay, all the changes you can view it. Each and every project members can see at anywhere at any time what's going on in the central model. Okay, right now what you can do, you can publish it for all the project members. Right now, as I am the project admin, I can see all other team members, each and every team members file. But if you are, suppose if you are mechanical, you cannot see it. You cannot see the structural mem as because this is only for those structural members. Remember that only structural engineers are added here. But if you are mechanical, you cannot see it. So for that, what I have to do it for the collaboration purpose, I have to publish it for other project team members. Okay. So for that, I have this option, create new package, create a new package. I want to create one new package, and within that package, I will include that these are the views or this much of model I will include within that package, and they will be capable of seeing that much what is included within that package. Okay, so let's go for it. Create new package. All right, so let's go for it. This is the project model. So you have to include like this one, you want to include it, and this is already included. And suppose some documents you want to include, so you can add some documents there. Okay, so right now no documents is there. So let's add some documents. And okay, so I have to go to that, and there I have to add some documents. So it will take time. So you have already learned how to add documents already. So if it is there in the document management, so you can easily find it out here. So let's not add, let's just add this 3D view only. So let's, with that, let's save this package. Okay. And let's go for share. And you will provide a name, structural model, and you can give any description. And let's go for share. Okay, so right now this is shared. So when it is shared, you will see one close circle. So that means this package has been shared. Here you can see that package has been shared with everyone in your project. So within this project, all the team members right now can see it, and if they need, so they can consume it. Okay, so let's go for it. And here, if I go for this, right now I'm the mechanical one. I'm the mechanical one. So here you can see that all the timelines, suppose for the architect timeline, there is nothing within that architect timeline. But for the structural timeline, here I can find out one circle. So right now, being a mechanical engineer or the member of the mechanical team, I can access that file, which is right now published. So right now I'm the mechanical, click on this. And here, if you need to access this, So click on it and you can consume it. If you need to consume, then it will be within your folders. Okay, within your team member folders. Suppose you don't want to consume it, you just need to explore it, you need to just see it, so that you can just click on the explore things and you can check everything. Okay, like you want to measure and all, you can do it. Okay, so let's consume it right now, and it will ask you this one, and let's go for consume. And within your mechanical document, within your mechanical folders, you remember one consumed folder was there, right? This one is there. So right now you can see that within this structural folder is right now created. This one is added right now. And within that you have this one. So you are having it right now and all your mechanical team members can access it. Okay. So you remember that for this mechanical folders, you have given the permissions to only the mechanical engineers. Remember, so only the mechanical engineer can access it here. As because I'm the project admin, so I can see it everything. But if you are the mechanical engineer, so there you only can see this one. Okay. So right now, you can do the same thing for architects as well. Here you click it, open it, and when it is consumed, you will see this is as a filled circle. Okay. Now, for the architect, so let's open this architect. And when you are right now architect, you can see that for the structural timeline, you are seeing this blank circle. Right now, you are not consuming this structure. When you will consume it, you will see this as a filled circle. Okay, so here you can go to this project module. It's still being processed. Okay, so nothing to worry about. I'll not access it. So this part which I have already showed, that will be same for the architects as well. So you will be publishing it. So here you have this new package, you will create the new package and you will be publishing it for all the project members. Okay, so this how you will be collaborating with each other. And now let me go for this mechanical. So within this mechanical, you have your structural file. Okay, and you have your mechanical file. So let's go to this project model and there you can see this mechanical and this structural file is there. Okay, so right now you see that this is right now combined. Okay, so if you don't need to see it, so you can can hide this. All right, so that you can do, and this way you can collaborate. And now you need to see that the coordination is good or not. You can continue with this collaboration or not. So that you need to check. So for that, we have a model coordination. Okay. All right. So right now you can see that we have this, you are right now at architect and you have this all models, my models and clashes with my models. So as I'm right now the project admin and this architectural, so all models and my models, you will see the similar things. So all models, if other team members have included, so there you will find out all the project team members models are uploaded and listed here. And if you go for my model, so what you have uploaded, you can see it, and classes with your models, you can see it there. Okay. So let's go for classes, and you can see that you are right now as architect. So for that you have to go to this, just a second. Let me open this design collaboration within a new tab. Okay. So the coordination space is not created for mechanical, I think. Yeah. So this coordination space is not created, so that's why. So let's create coordination space for the mechanical as well. Okay, so that is going to be the coordination. And now let me create mechanical coordination. So let's create it. So one coordination space is created there, and that you can check. So this file is the coordination space you have activated. Okay, this file, this is the file. Okay, so now let me go for it. And this is the model coordination. Okay, so there you can see this is the path. Okay, and you can create another coordination space. So the coordination folder you need to select here. Okay, so that is going to be the coordination folder. Let me just cancel it once again and share. Let me see it. This is the project files and architect. Okay. And okay, let's create it. So let's go for mechanical. In the same file, I will select which is for the team. Okay, I'll select that and let's create it. So for creating a coordination space, come to this project admin tab. And here you can see this is right now created. Okay, this two is right now created. Okay, so let me deactivate this one. I have created this one extra. Okay, so I had to refresh it. So, and for structure, you can create another. Okay, or else if you go to this here, you can create it. So the same path will be selected. And if you come to project admin and services and code model coordination, and there you can create coordination space. So let me select this structure coordination. The same path you can select it and create. So it is created right now. Okay. And there you need to refresh it. And there you can see it is right now created and activated. Okay. All right. So these things are created. So let's come to this model coordination now. Now you can select mechanical coordination. And there you can see these two files are there. Okay. So you can check clashes. You can go for clashes. And within this two, you can see these are the clashes. Okay, so these are the primary, like if you go for this structure and based on this you will have classes with the same 3D view. Okay, the structure Revit, but the position, I think this one is the primary and uh, this mechanical is the secondary right now, and between this you can create some view. No views are there, so these are the two things. Okay, so we can go for this clashes, click on it. So your BIM 360 will identify clashes between these two models. And there you can see, right? So here you can see that we have this much of classes. Okay, and this much of classes is grouped by this. So under this we have 8 classes with one other model, so that you can see. So with this one rectangular column, rectangular beam, these are the pipes which are being classed with this rectangular beam. Okay, so that's the thing. So when you are selecting this structure as the primary model, so with this, you will see that these much of uh, mechanical members being classed. And if you choose this mechanical as the primary model and then the structural, so there you will find, so the total classes is 518. It is a similar thing, but how it is grouped and all, so that you see here. Okay, so the class group is 52 class groups when you select structural as the primary model and the mechanical as the secondary model. But when you select this mechanical as the primary and the structural as the primary, so as per the mechanical models, the class group is created. So whatever you click, the total classes are the same. So that is 518 classes. Okay, but group wise it is different. Understood? So that is here created, and you can see these are the classes. You can resolve the classes. Okay, so this how we coordinate and we collaborate within a single folder, within a single repository. We do it. That is your common data environment. Here you create all the document folders. There you manage all the documents. You create your team path, and you publish all the files for other team members as well, so that you can collaborate. You can check the classes and you can coordinate better, and it can be accessed anywhere from anywhere and at any time, and in the real time you can access it. You can check all the coordination and can collaborate. Okay, and here you can see, so there you can create some issues. Okay, you can create some issues if there is. All right, so the creating issues is the similar thing. You just click on this create issue, and you place one push pin at that location where the issue is. And these are the clashes. Find out the clashes here. Okay, and after that what you can do, you can select this clash and you can create this issue as issue, so that you can uh, assign any particular project member to solve it. Okay, so this is the issue, and click on here. So this is the clash. Okay, right, this is the clash with this. Okay, with this structural slab, this is the clash. So here you can create. Okay, so this is right now created, and what type of clash it is. So you can check it. So this is the clash. Okay, and what is the status and what is the title? So as per the clash, it will take the title, and it will be assigned to any particular company or the member who is within this project team. And you will click on this enter location details, who is the owner. So I'm the owner right now, as because I'm assigning it. And you will mention the root cause. So coordination is the root cause, so that you will mention it. Okay, and in the description you will provide. So as per the clash group, it will take the description and you will create it. Okay, and you can go to this assign tab, and there you can find it out. Here you have this assign tab within this model coordination, and there you can check. These are the okay, these are the clashes which is created right now. This is the clash which is created right now, and this is the linked document. So the it is assigned to that person. So this person will get the notification within this assign tab, and he can go for resolving it. Right now, no view is there. Okay. So these are the models. Okay, so this is the model which is there, and you have this consumed and the structural file is there. So this is how we work. Okay, we collaborate, we create clashes, we check the clashes, we create the issues, we solve it within this single cloud platform. So that is all.